So as part of our Guidewire development is concerned, because in the previous sessions we discussed about some examples using Gosu programming. Wherein today I'm going to discuss about one example that I'm taking for null safety. Because as in when we know, whenever we are working on the Gosu programming as a Guidewire developer role, when we are maintaining, either it can be for policy center, it can be billing, or it can be claims, all that. Generally, this goes to null safe invocation method on operators, which majorly allows us to chain the methods, cause the property access without any null pointer exceptions and all that. So in this regard, so whenever we are managing this, right? So because if you want to enhance any existing classes, including any built ones, with any kind of new methods or properties and all, these enhancements majorly used to add some null-aware logics to classes which not have any kind of defaults or something. So in understanding about the null safety, first of all, we must be knowing about the benefits of it. So why null safety is beneficial and all. So null safety is the one which is beneficial for us to reduce the null point exceptions, because whatever the null safety features that we are using significantly reduces the risk of null pointer exceptions, errors and all, making code more robust and as well as reliable. Next, it improves the code readability, because using null safe operators which can make code clean and as well as easier to read, and eliminating the need of verbose null checks, etc. Next, enhancing the maintainability, because using null safe code is generally easier to maintain and as well as debugging, so that whatever the logics that we are going to handle, what are the null values that are more concise and localized and all. So these are the general benefits using null safety. Generally we use when we are working on the Gosu programming. So being into Guidewire development, as in when you know, right, it's not when we are working on the configuration side, right? You want to make any kind of changes in the configuration, either it can be PCF files or it can be data models configurations, etc. Everything that we do. Apart from that, this is one of the key and important understanding. As an example, from the Gosu programming basics point of view, one should be good and as well as one should be familiar with.